How to play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. Let's get started. Launch your Spotify app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the song that you want to play. I'm going to play this song. You can see that the song is being played. Now you can close this and launch your YouTube. Now you can head towards the video that you want to play. Once you play your YouTube video, the Spotify song will be paused. Cause as if right now there is no such way to play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. You can either play YouTube video or play Spotify at a time. The purpose of this video is to clear out the confusion among you guys that if you can play Spotify and YouTube at the same time or not. Right now you cannot do that, but if in the future Spotify and YouTube comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can play Spotify and YouTube at the same time or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.